So this might be the perfect work keyboard for you. Something that is wireless, has a numpad, sounds good, and also has a bunch of different color options to choose from. The Zoom98 might be the keyboard you've been waiting for. Yo, what is up guys? Sam Pack here, back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at Meletrix's latest keyboard, the Zoom98. So the Zoom98 is a mix of a 1800 and a full-size keyboard layout, which features a lot of culmination of Zoom's previous keyboards. And I feel like a lot of people have been waiting for this, since some of us do need a numpad for day-to-day work and a Bluetooth mechanical keyboard with no wires. And a lot of working people do prefer a full-size keyboard since that's what they're used to. But with that said, let's get started. So let's take a look at what we get in the box. So this keyboard features a lot of the same options as the Zoom75 to be able to have a OLED screen, a badge, a 1U with a knob, or two 1U keys. The LCD screen will come by default with a tri-mode PCB, and a 1U key with the knob will come by default with a wired version, and all of the other options will be add-ons. It comes with two batteries to power the PCB and the LCD screen, and these will be rechargeable. And here we got a pink backplate with the same telescope logo as the Zoom keyboards. And here's a flex cut PCB. They're gonna have an option to have a non-flex cut as well. And for hot swap PCBs, they're gonna have a fixed layout, so you're gonna get a 6.25U layout, and with some options to have step caps, split backspace, and a split right shift. And here's all the kinds of foams that you guys can use, and it'll come with a polycarbonate plate by default. So the case design is pretty much the same as the other Zoom keyboards with rounded edges. The top of the case has the same angle design, but this has a bigger front height than the other Zoom keyboards that comes in at 22mm with a typing angle of 7.7 degrees. This also comes with the aluminum internal weight that you can also add a PVD weight for additional cost. And I really like the RGB underglow from this keyboard. You can match with any keycap set that you have, and it shines pretty bright and just makes the keyboard look overall really nice and aesthetic. So one big difference between the prototype and the production unit is that they changed this .RGB glow into a telescope design. And there was a lot of feedback to have it changed to the telescope since it looks a lot better, and Meletrix made these changes, so here's some of the photos of the updated designs. So here's a sound test of the Zoom98. The typing experience is pretty much the same as almost all of the Zoom keyboards. Nothing different in my opinion. Has a nice flexible typing experience, and the bottom mount feels really nice as well. And matched with the PCB plate with all of the foam, this is going to give you that nice marbly sound. Also, Meletrix will not have an option for a carrying case, which I did mention to them that they should do this, but they said that because of the cost and how big the keyboard was, they're not going to do it. So if you guys are looking for a carrying case, I would check out the TX large keyboard case over at Makeba when they come back in stock. So it looks like they're taking a vote on if they're going to add a microfiber towel for the keyboard, and also having a pouch option to buy as an add-on. So the Zoom98 starts at $179 with the EE version, and the SE version starts at $209. And all of my affiliate links will be down in the description below. If you guys do use my links, it'll help me as a small content creator to bring you more videos just like this. So overall, I think this keyboard is a great purchase, especially if you're going to use it for a work keyboard. I think it checks off a lot of boxes that people have been looking for, and I think the price and the quality are great for what you're getting. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. More tech review videos are coming soon, along with a new updated desk setup video, so stay tuned for that, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss a new video. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.